Nick Rudder for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage. Today we're going to talk about one of the single biggest investments you'll make for caring for your vehicle, and that's microfiber towels and tools. Every detail is going to involve some type of microfiber accessory, whether it's a Chanel wash mitt for washing the vehicle, one of our awesome carbon 480 microfiber towels for buffing off wax or polish, or doing a final wipe down with high gloss detail spray. Even the drying, using our Glacier 1100, which is 2 towels sewn together. This is a monstrous 1100 GSM. All of these towels, they add up. It's quite the investment. So you want to properly care for them. That way you save money in the long run. I'm asked all the time, Nick, can I use a regular laundry detergent to clean my microfiber towels and tools? And the answer is yes. The difference compared to a dedicated microfiber cleaner like ours is how good of a job it's going to do over time. Right off the bat, a regular detergent, of course, is going to clean your towels. It's not going to make your towels dirtier, you see, but microfiber cleaner is formulated using special surfactants and emulsifiers that break up silicone oils, compound residue, lubricating agents, polymers, waxes, everything that's involved with car care. A regular laundry detergent is designed to break down food spills, grass stains on your pants, that kind of thing. So the microfiber cleaner, once you build up a collection of towels, which if you care for your vehicle frequently, meaning if you've watched more than 3 or 4 YouTube videos today for car care, you're going to have a substantial collection after a while. Hundreds, even thousands of dollars. This investment adds up very quickly. Cleaning microfiber is simple. You can use any standard household washing machine, including high efficiency. This formula is free of dyes, fragrances, and perfumes. It's strictly a cleaner. It's going to break up and dissolve all the embedded gunk in your towels, and it's going to release them during the rinse cycle. That way, your towels are completely free of any kind of residue. You can also use this for foam, wool, and microfiber buffing pads. What I like to do is I like to separate towels based on application. So generally, I will separate my drying towels, my wax, polish, waterless wash, quick detail towels, that kind of thing, and then my glass towels. I never really separate it by color because after you've washed them, they're not going to have any bleeding effect, so there's no need to separate by color. And then I'll put the washing machine on the appropriate load size. For the temperature cycle, I either do warm or hot. It depends on your machine. I always do extra rinse. And then for the fabric select, or the how heavy duty the wash is, I do normal, sometimes something more aggressive like heavy duty, depending on what towels they are. And then last but not least, I will do a regular soil level. That seems to work every time. If you decide to go with a microfiber cleaner, something that's formulated specifically for microfiber, you're going to notice that your towels are going to be softer after each wash. The microfiber cleaner is not going to affect the magnetic properties of the towels, the dust attracting properties. Microfiber is a split weave design, and the cleaner breaks up and dissolves all the silicones and polymers that are going to hide in these fibers. That way, after each wash, your towels will look, feel, and perform like the day they were new. Again, this is going to save you money over the long run because you're not buying new towels every month or every 2 months. You can preserve your investment with McKee's 37 microfiber cleaner. After you wash the towels, throw them in the dryer on low heat. You do not want to use any kind of fabric softener, and that's another really important thing. This formula forgoes fabric softeners and instead has water softeners. That way it's going to neutralize any hard water in your washing machine. Set the dryer to tumble dry low, and I normally let the towels dry for 20-25 minutes, and when I take them out, they're not 100% dry. They're still a little dampness to them, and then I'll simply hang them somewhere convenient in the garage or in the house. If you do too hot, what will happen is the towels will curl, and it's going to again affect the absorbency of the microfiber. So once you build up a large collection of microfiber towels and tools, including our Glacier 1100 drying towel, the McKee's 37 Carbon 480 microfiber towel, you're going to want to invest in a quality microfiber detergent. Save yourself the time and the money, skip the 16 ounce, and go right for the gallon. I'm Nick Rudder for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage.